Meteorologist Jacqueline Thomas with your Storm Watch 9 forecast.
Well, a messy start to our day early this morning, slick conditions, but now seeing drier conditions across the area. A few lingering slick spots possible. Temperatures hovering near that freezing mark right now. Look in Portsmouth there, just 31 degrees. And we saw some fresh snow from this as well. A look at some of the snowfall reports that we've gotten in from some areas across the state. Belmont, a report of 4.5 inches. Warner, we saw a report of 4.3, 3.5 in Meredith, 3 inches out of Wolfboro, and Newport, a report of 2.3 inches of snow. Claremont, as we head through the day today, we've got quiet conditions with the clouds, but we are going to see the chance for some patchy drizzle as we head through the day, especially this evening and tonight. And there may be some freezing drizzle, so there could be some slick spots as we head through the night tonight and into early Saturday as well. Not nearly as widespread, of course, as what we had into this morning, but just something to keep in mind. Those temperatures coming back down near that freezing mark as we head through the night tonight. For now, hovering near freezing in spots like Laconia and Concord, 31, just 32 in Manchester, sitting above Plymouth at 33, 35 in Whitefield, 36 in Lebanon. And as we head through the night tonight, temperatures drop just a couple more degrees. And so any lingering spotty showers or patchy drizzle, even some fog that may develop overnight tonight as warmer air starts to move in for tomorrow, could create some of that freezing as we head through the night into tomorrow, as any precipitation falls as liquid but potentially freezes on those frozen surfaces or those surfaces that are near that freezing mark. Satellite and radar showing the clouds in place back to our west, some more energy that eventually approaches as we head into the weekend. That'll bring a better chance for some showers. So satellite and radar showing that steady precipitation from last night into this morning, moving far away now. However, moisture lingers. Through the rest of the day today, clouds will linger. There may be some patchy drizzle, and then tonight, especially into tomorrow, a couple of light showers or some more drizzle moves in, and some of that could be in the form of some freezing rain or mixing. So you'll notice that pink here as you head further north in the state. That'll be the better potential for it as we head into early Saturday. And then during the day tomorrow, we actually could see just a few rain showers because temperatures are going to be well above freezing. Milder air moves in and we see warmer conditions through the weekend and even into next week. Saturday afternoon should see a little bit of a break from those showers. Still a good amount of cloud cover around, and then Saturday night again another push of some rain showers as we see that warmer air pushing into the area, and Sunday likely even a little warmer than tomorrow. So as far as that potential for that little glaze of ice, yeah, can't rule it out as we head overnight tonight and into the day on Saturday. Tonight, temperatures dropping back, upper 20s near that 30-degree mark. So any fog that we have or any drizzle that we have falling from that warmer air above us could freeze on the surface as we get these below freezing temperatures here at ground level. And then tomorrow, our temperatures soar into the 40s, perhaps touching 50 in a couple of spots tomorrow, although a better shot at some 50s as we head through Sunday and into next week. Could even touch 60 in spots by Tuesday. So yeah, much more spring-like feel on the way.